Hello everybody, this is Tashawn, not Tashawn, this is Skywatch. Well, in this video guys, I'm gonna be talking about the October heatwave that is taking place right now with parts of the central US and US right now. Because temperatures right now is warmer than usual for parts of the northern US. So that's what we're talking about in this video guys. But like detailed videos on my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and subscribe to the videos. So right now guys, unusual October heat wave. So right now, it's about what's going on right now in the U.S. Not much going on about the central U.S. guys. Things are pretty quiet for parts of the central U.S. guys. You can see we got central got high pressure right here. That's in the. And then right now, we do got a storm that is moving towards the west, coming from the Pacific Northwest, and it's working its way towards the west. And besides that, some ongoing showers and storms are parts down towards Florida. So, yes. So this October heat wave will be in place. Now let's go on to precipitation wise. Yeah, precipitation guys is gonna be pretty wild. I mean, we got one trough system out in the Pacific. You can see this guys. By the time we get into next week, guys, which is Monday, Tuesday, we have some showers and storms in parts of the southeast as the cold front get ready to come through. And slightly, you can see this. By the time you get towards the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the cold front make its way through and it cools things down a little bit significantly. And my recommend we're gonna have some lingering showers and storms for parts of the Carolinas and the Virginia, and possibly another cold front coming down around the 10th. So 2 cold fronts coming down. Now let's get right towards our 500 milliball wind height, guys. The wind's 500. Winds 500,000 feet. The wind's 15,000 feet above our heads. So you can see. We got there comes a trough. There's a polar jet stream right there. You can see we're gonna have a dip coming through, possibly around this night on the 10th, guys. And this is what you typically see in the neutral phase too. So besides that, after that, guys, things will be pretty quiet. We have another trough dipping down. So we got a lot of flow right here. Another trough coming through, and possibly down here we're gonna have a lot of ridge and down here towards towards Texas. Now, finally remember high anomaly. Why is temperatures above average right now? And even though it's October, well, because we got this ridge of high pressure that's in place with it. That's gonna move out the way, guys. A little bit, just a little bit. But after that, guys, I think it was a 7 and 8, guys. Not much happening. Not too much of a cold front coming through. By the time it was 9 or 10, we're still a lot of ridge in place. It's still gonna be above average. Parts of the west, parts of south, east, west. But you see this, but parts of, by the time you come front of guys, we'll have a little trough that's gonna start developing. That's gonna keep temperatures down here below average in parts of the Carolinas, while temperatures back towards the west are going to be above average. Now let's get into the overall temperatures, guys. You can see I was getting towards beginning of next week, guys. You see. Here comes a cold front that might dip down, but it doesn't make it all the way down towards the south. You see a little cold front trying to dip down, and boom, it does that. By the time you get towards the later part of next week, guys, the cold front makes its way down, bringing those cooler temperatures. And looking at temperature anomalies, guys, you see, yes, we got huge big anomalies in parts of northern U.S. and Canada, but see that's going to change just a little bit as the cold front comes through. Browns will slightly below average anomalies coming down, but besides that, the central U.S., the western U.S. could be seeing above average temperatures. So, yeah, and the eastern Carolinas and Virginia, you'll see the eastern U.S. is going to see the eastern seaboard is going to see below average temperatures, while the central U.S. and the west are going to see above average temperatures. Now, because of this, guys, we're going to kind of consider, guys, we're seeing that the whole central U.S. is going to see above average temperatures. Upper Midwest, the central U.S. and the Midwest are going to see above average temperatures. Cool, while eastern U.S. near normal, to slightly above normal, and while west below normal. 6 to 14, that was the precipitation wise. Well, we expecting the west to be wetter than usual. The central U.S., the southeast, and the Ohio Valley to be drier than normal, and while Florida and the Carolinas to be wetter than normal. 18 and 14 day outlook temperature. Like the whole U.S. except the West, U.S. gonna see a bias temperature for parts of the eastern seaboard, the southeast, Ohio Valley, the Midwest, the upper Midwest, the central U.S. You're gonna see above average temperatures, while the West you're gonna see below average temperatures. Precipitation wise, but the West gonna still be wetter, the Ohio Valley and the southeast gonna still be dry, while Florida is still gonna be wetter. Now, because this is coming back. This feature right here, La Nina is coming back, guys. It's coming back in a fast way. You see, by the time we get into October, November, we got a very high chance, medium chance in December, then heading back to interface as we get towards January, February. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.